Hey guys, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and today I'm making a custom t-shirt with the DigitalHeat FX system and our Easy Peel two-step transfer paper. Now I'm doing the finishing step a little bit differently this time though. I'm using the T-Seal silicone seal sheet you see here. You can find this on colemanandcompany.com, and it's a really great alternative option for when you do your finishing press of the DigitalHeat FX process. So I'm going to go step by step and show you how it works. For step one, we're going to print out our design on a sheet of our 11 by 17 Easy Peel two-step transfer paper. Now we're going to move on to the marrying step. This is when you adhere the B sheet to our printed A sheet. This is when the polymer adheres just to the toner. And the time, temperature, and pressure instructions for this are in the box with your Easy Peel paper. Now we're going to peel these two sheets away from each other at a nice slow and steady pace, and you can see the polymer just adhered to the toner. So now we can put this transfer on our t-shirt. The next step is to cut your transfer to size and place it where you'd like on your t-shirt. You'll then cover it with a regular finishing sheet and press. Now this process does require a cold peel, so you'll want to move this off of your hot heat press platen. Once it's cool to the touch, you can just remove your carrier sheet. This next step is really important because it's where your T-Seal sheet comes into play. So you'll put your shirt back on the heat press, and you'll see your T-Seal has two sides, a more matte side and then kind of a side that has a texture. You'll lay that textured side down on your design and press it around 290 degrees for 20 seconds. Then you do want to wait just a couple seconds before removing this. So I'll just air it out a little bit, wait about 5 seconds, and then I'm ready to remove this sheet. And you can see I have a nice matte finish. And something we really love about this T-Seal is that it kind of helps with the stretchability and the durability of these transfers. So this T-Seal sheet lasts about 500 presses, and just like the flexible finishing sheet or regular finishing sheets in the trans gloss, it's just another great way to finish your DigitalHeat FX presses. Now what we recommend is just to keep all of these products on deck and figure out what works best for you and what your customers like the best, because they all do have a different look and feel. So if you want to learn more about any of these products, go ahead and visit colemanandcompany.com and live chat with one of our pros.